Your palm is the greatest security key. Please check the instruction manual before setting up. Remove the display screen of the peephole camera. You can see a QR code on the battery. You can see the instruction manual by scanning it with your phone camera. Set up the administrator number 001. After installing the smart lock, please register the administrator first. We highly recommend using palm vein recognition as the administrator verification method. Touch the outer lock panel to light up the numbers. Press the asterisk and TE keys continuously to enter the setup mode. Enter the initial password 123456 and skeg. Then press 1 to enter the administrator setup process. Press 1 again to register the administrator. Press the stack to enter the face or palm vein option. Press 2 to select palm vein. Place your palm about 15 centimeters in front of the lens with fingers spread out. When you hear the prompt sound, press the asterisk continuously until you exit the settings. Now let's test whether the palm vein can enter the setup interface normally. If you can enter the setup interface successfully, it means that the administrator number 001 has been set up successfully. After setting up the administrator number 001, the initial password will become invalid. Set up the password for administrator number 002. After successfully setting up the administrator number 001, it is recommended to set up the administrator number 002. We recommend using a password as the verification method for NO2. In this way, even no administrator is on site, the specific personnel can be authorized to operate by using the administrator password. Touch the outer lock panel to light up the numbers. Then press the asterisk and hatch keys continuously to enter the setup mode. At this time, the administrator number 001 enters the setup process by scanning the registered palm vein. Press 1 to enter administrator, and then press 1 to select register administrator. Enter a 6 to 8-digit password and press the # to confirm. Repeat entering the password and press this to confirm. After hearing the prompt sound, press the asterisk key continuously until you exit the setup. Let's test whether entering this password can enter the setup interface. If you can enter the setup interface normally, it means that the administrator password has been set up successfully. Set up ordinary user. Recommend using palm vein. Now let's register an ordinary user. The administrator enters the setup interface by using palm vein or password verification. Enter the setup mode. Press 2 to select ordinary user. Then press 1 to register ordinary user. Press the # key to enter the palm vein or face setting. Press 2 to select palm vein. Place your palm about 15 centimeters in front of the lens with fingers spread out. When you hear the prompt sound, it means that the palm vein registration is successful. Press the asterisk key continuously until you exit the setup mode. Let's test whether the palm vein can unlock normally. This smart door lock can be unlocked not only by palm vein recognition, but also by face recognition and card recognition. You can refer to the palm vein registration steps to make the settings.